In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end a Google Meet. If you're wrapping up a class, a team call, or any group meeting, it's important to close the session properly so everyone knows the meeting is officially over. Google Meet makes this very simple, and the process only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. To begin, look at the bottom area of your Google Meet window. In the meeting controls, you'll see several icons used to manage the call. Find the red telephone icon. This is the hang up button, and it's the main control used to leave or end the meeting. Click on that red telephone icon below to open the ending options. After you click it, Google Meet may give you more than one choice, depending on your role in the meeting. If you're the host or have permission to control the meeting, you'll see the option to end the meeting for all or for everyone. Click on End Meeting for All or End Meeting for Everyone to fully close the session for every participant at the same time. This is an important distinction because simply leaving the call yourself may allow other participants to stay in the meeting. If your goal is to completely shut down the meeting so that no one remains connected, make sure you choose the option that ends it for everyone rather than just exiting on your own. Once you confirm that option, the meeting will close for all attendees and everyone will be disconnected from the call. This is the best way to officially finish a meeting when the discussion is complete and you don't want the room to remain open. As a quick tip, before ending the meeting for everyone, take a moment to make sure all final questions have been answered and that no one is still speaking. That helps the meeting end smoothly and avoids cutting someone off unexpectedly. And that's it. To end a Google Meet, click the red telephone icon below, then choose End Meeting for All or End Meeting for Everyone. It's a fast and easy way to properly close the meeting for all participants.